what we talked about here was there's options. You could get rid of all the stone and the fabric, enrich the soil, plant this thing up, and it would be beautiful. Your office, you said, is there, so looking out here is really important. That's a lot of effort, actually. It's a lot of effort, and it's maintenance. Whereas something more simple and still would be, I think, attractive, would be like a terrace out here, where you get rid of all the stuff, you get rid of this, okay? You rake and get rid of all the little things, like, you know, these random, what are these? You know what I mean? Just like chuck it, get rid of this little thing here, get rid of that, whatever. We're hiding these things, but maybe they could go somewhere else. From there, how about a nice, clean looking terrace where you just have like a couple Adirondack chairs here, maybe with like a little table to put your wine glass on, and then maybe you have the things with you put up your feet, and maybe you have a little table where you can have some, whatever, put your book or some snacks, so that when you look at this, it's relaxing and there's no maintenance. And then you buy some nice ceramic pots and you fill them with beautiful plants. So you're looking out, you see some plants, but you're not necessarily doing a big garden or whatever, doing a lot of work, okay?